So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix no cast button on Netflix Android, Chromecast enable. Fix 1 is check for Netflix plan. Open the Netflix app on your phone, tap your profile icon, select account, look for plan detail. If it states standard with ads, casting it completely blocked by Netflix. To regain casting functionality, tap change plan and upgrade to an ad free tier. Second fix is grant nearby device permission. Open the setting on your Android phone, tap on apps, select Netflix from the list of application, tap on permission. Look for nearby devices. If it is set to not allowed, tap it and change it to allow. Third fix is match your Wi-Fi network. Open phone's Wi-Fi setting to find the current network name. Check the Wi-Fi network name on your TV or Chromecast setting. Ensure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi frequency, either 5 GHz or 2.4. Change the network setting if one device is on a different frequency. Fourth fix is clear Netflix app cache. Open your Android phone setting, go to app, then Netflix, tap storage, tap clear cache, tap force stop to completely shut down the app, then reopen Netflix. Fifth fix is reboot your device. Unplug the power cable from the Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Unplug the power cable from the TV or Chromecast for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Restart your Android phone. Wait for all devices to turn back on. Open Netflix and look for the icon. Thanks for watching.